Hey everyone, big news for all FonesGo iOS users. FonesGo just rolled out its brand new exclusive native mode, the safest way to spoof your iPhone GPS without any cracked apps. Now, I'll show you how to get this feature working. First, open up your FonesGo app, then hit the new native mode button at the bottom of the screen. Next, type your target city or exact GPS coordinates in the search bar, or just tap any spot on the map. When you're ready, tap teleport. Now here's the most important step. You need to install and trust the security certificate for the VPN profile. This is only a one-time setup for first use. Tap Configure VPN, download the .crt certificate file via the link inside FonesGo. Then head to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Find the profile and tap Install. After that, go to General, About, Certificate Trust Settings. Flip the switch to trust this new certificate. Return to the FonesGo app and you'll see the teleport completed successfully. One last step is required for the location change to take effect. If you're running iOS 17 to iOS 26, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, toggle the switch off, then turn it back on. Once done, your GPS will instantly switch to your selected location, and the fake location stays active even after you fully close FonesGo. That's the full tutorial for FonesGo's new iOS native mode. No cracked apps, no PC required, all LBS apps compatible, and no ban risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more FonesGo tips.